All right, let's take the bar and we're going to put it on your hip bones, your ASIS again. Your hands are just going to gently be at the end caps, and we're going to do one leg circle while trying to keep the pelvis even, and the balls, if they're going side to side, will tell us if your hips are doing the hula here. All right, so bend your right knee in, keep your hips even. Now reach the right leg to the sky, and here we go. Draw the leg across, circle it down and around and up. 1, across, 2, across, 3, across, 4, across, 5. Reverse, open it side, cross it up. 1, open it side, cross it up. 2, open it side, 3, and side, 4, and side, 5. Good. Bend the knee and reach it out. Let's do the other side. Bend the knee in, keep the balls nice and quiet. Reach it up to the sky. Here we go. Across and circle it. 1. Across and circle it. 2. Across and circle it. 3. Across and circle it. 4. Across and circle it. Reverse. Side and cross it. 1. Side and cross it. 2. Side and cross it. 3. Side and cross it. 4. Side and cross it. 5. Good. Bend the knee and reach it out. Nod your chin and let's sequence ourselves up to seated, and we're going to go right into spine twist. So legs are together, toes are pointed. You're going to hold on to the bar on the white marks and reach the bar straight out in front of you. Your goal is to try and keep the marbles or the balls going side to side. You want to keep them nice and still in the middle as we do this. Inhale tall and exhale twist. A little more, a little more, and then come back to the center. Try and keep everything still. Inhale to the other side. Exhale. Let's bring it center to the other side. And center and twist. A little further, a little further, a little further, and center. Good. And again, twist and a 2 and a 3. Back center, twist and a 2 and a 3 and center. One more set. Twist and a 2 and a 3 and center. Other side. Twist, 2, 3, and center. Good. Rest it on down. Rolling like a ball. Let's shift forward onto our mat now. And we're going to still have the bar in our hands, and we'll reach the bar over our shins. So tip back off your sits bones, bring up one leg, bring up the other leg. Again, our goal is to keep the balls quiet in the middle as much as we can. Here we go. Inhale, roll back, and then exhale, come up and balance. Again, inhale, roll back, and bring it up 2. And roll back, bring it up 3. Breathe in on the way back, breathe out on the way 4, and shift back and come up 5. Remember, we're initiating with our abs. Bring it up 6, not our head. Roll back and 7, and roll back and 8, and breathe in, breathe it out. 9, one more please. Breathe in and breathe it out. 10. Single leg stretch. Reach the left leg long. Reach the bar over the right shin. Here we go and change. 1. Breathe out. 1. Breathe out. 2. Breathe out. 2. Extend the opposite leg. 3. And 3. 2 more. 4. And 4. And 5. And 5. Now we're going to do obliques. Shift over the bent knee. 1. and a 1, and a 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and 5. 5. Good. Double leg stretch. Bar is still in your hands. Here we go. Extend the arms and the legs and bring it back. 5. Let's extend. 4. And reach out. And 3. Keep your balls nice and quiet. And 2. Reach out. And 1. Good. Scissors. All right, you're going to take your right leg underneath the bar towards you, and you're going to reach that leg to you and the opposite leg away, keeping the bar nice and still. Here we go. Reach, reach, bring it together, change legs, and reach, reach, bring it together, change legs, and change, and change. This is your third round. Reach, reach, and change. Reach, reach, and change. 2 more. Reach, reach, and change. Reach, reach, and change. Last set. Reach, nice big stretch, and change. Reach, nice big stretch, and change. Very good. Rest down. Let that head fall right to left. Shoulder bridge. All right, we will have our bar at our hips. Again, we are going to try and keep the hips from, or the bar and the balls from moving too much. So lie down, feet are hips distance apart. The bar is right at your hips and your ASIS, and your hands are on the end caps. Take a big inhale, squeeze the glutes and hamstrings and lift straight away. Go ahead and bring the right leg straight up to the sky. Here we go. Flex lower and up, and 2 and up, and 3 and up. Bring that leg down. Lift the hips if they've dropped. Opposite leg. Lift it up. Flex lower and up, and 2 and up, and 3 and up. Bring it down. Lift the hips and lower the hips. Regroup. Make sure the balls are roughly in the middle. Deep breath. Lift the hips. Here we go. Bring a leg up and a lower and a up, and 2 and up, and 3 and up. Bring it down. Lift the hips and other leg goes up and lower. 1, lower, 2, lower, 3. Foot down. Lift the hips and lower the hips. Let's go again. Lift those hips. Bring one leg up. Flex lower. 1 and up, and a 2 and up, and a 3 and up. Bring the foot down. Lift the hips if they dropped, or balance out those balls. Here we go. Other leg. Flex lower, and 1 and lower, and 2 and lower, and 3. Foot down. Lift the hips and lower the hips. Whew. Okie dokie, moving right into our rollovers. We are going to have the bar overhead today, and we're attempting to keep the balls nice and quiet again. So take your hands right onto the white marks, go into imprint, bring the legs out, up, and now extend the legs up, and you're going to reach the bar overhead, nice and even on each side. Reach the legs out on the diagonal to start, and here we go. Legs up, exhale, roll over, lower, lift, apart, flex, reach through the heels and through the arms as you sequence down through your spine. Legs out on the diagonal, together and up. Breathe out, roll over, lower, lift, apart, flex, roll down. Reach through the heels and the arms evenly. Bring the legs out, together and up. Again, roll over, lower, lift, apart, flex, reach through those heels and arms, legs out, together. One more, roll over, a lower, lift, apart, flex, and reach, and roll down. Good, bring the legs together, apart and up, and roll over, down and up, together and flex, roll down, and legs on the diagonal, apart and up, and over, down and up, together and flex, and roll down, and point the toes, apart and up, roll over, down and up, together, flex, reach it out, roll through the center of your spine, and one more, here we go, apart and up, and roll over, together, flex, and roll down, and reach it out. Good. Bend it in and take a little break.